You know what happened right now? I made my 8 subscribers. I woke up this morning and what I made is just to rush and go to my profile to check my channel. I marked a beautiful 8 subscribers in my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for you all that supported me so far to get these 8 subscribers. I'm so happy. Like one, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight. I'm so happy. I'm so amazed. I thought YouTube never want to push my videos, but I got subscribed by 8 individuals. For those 8 individuals that are out there that I don't know them, I love you so much. Thank you so much for all you've done. Thank you for pushing me forward. You made my dream come true. In just about 4 days, I had 8 subscribers. Thank you if you are still watching this my YouTube channel. I just wanted to help me grow my channel because every time I try put camera here to record my videos, by the end of the day I just get 4 views. But one of my subscribers motivated me. You need to keep going, Ben Malik. Try more videos, try on short videos, and you are going to get there. One of my subscribers also told me that I should try as much as possible to follow the algorithms, and I will definitely see that I meet to the top of my channel. Thank you so much. I'm so super excited. I'm so happy right now for these 8 subscribers. I can't wait to get to 10. I can't wait to get to 10 subscribers. Thank you so much. I'm the most happiest person ever. Like it. Thank you so much. YouTube, you still need to do better. I know I can still do more than this. I know you can still do more than this. And if you appear on my page right now watching my videos, I want you to help me grow this channel, engage on my posts, go to my comment section, comment for me, tell me what you think I can do or what you feel that okay, it is going to be better for me and I'm going to get it to the top. What else can I do to grow this channel? There are a lot of things, there are a lot of tips out there. I think maybe I need to put on my channel, I need to put on my videos that will make it go viral. Check on my videos, check on my channel. What do you think? What's the amendment you think I can do to make my videos go more viral or get more views? Please subscribe to my channel and get my post. This is the only way I can only grow in this space because I see a lot of people growing out there without even knowing how they do such. And me, I don't have anything, I don't know what to do. I have you, and I'm also pleading to you to help me through this process, to help me through this journey because you're the only one I got. Thank you so much for my wonderful 8 subscribers. I don't know you, but if you are here, just kindly comment in this comment section. Just comment yourself the hi, and I'm going to reply you with a super excited complimentary. Thank you so much, and I'll meet you again in my next video. At that time, I should be counting 10. No, I should be counting 20, 30 subscribers. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in my next video. I love you so much, and I'm so happy. Thank you.